Hey, welcome back to Homegrown Country Home Place, friends. How y'all doing today? Y'all, I got this new knife order, and I just want to do this little unboxing video here and show you what I got. Got this in the mail yesterday. I've never ordered from this company before. It's Shepherd Hills. Maybe Shepherd Hills Cutlery. I can't really remember, but got this ordered another case pocket knife. I just want to bring y'all along today and show you what I got. Because this here is going to be a crimson bone peach seed jig CopperLock. It's going to have the stainless steel blade, and I'll show you that right there. Alright, I'll show you. Kind of looking it over here because this is the first time I've looked at it. Real nice knife, y'all. I like it. And let me just open this blade up right here and take a look here. Nice and sharp. Yeah, I like this knife. Got good action in here. See how the blade centers up. Pretty much like most of the knives I get from Case, they're not really centered, don't seem like. Y'all can see that right there. Kind of all set there. It could be worse. It could be touching a liner. Yeah, I like this knife. I've never had one of these before. Nice color on the bone handle. So there we go, y'all. Just gonna bring y'all on with this little short video there, showing this new Case CopperLock pocket knife. And I guess I could just go ahead and give y'all some dimensions here and everything, measurements on everything. I know this video just kind of throw together because I just want to bring y'all on real quick before I get to work today. This is going to be about 7 3/8 inches overall length, opened up about 7 3/8. The blade itself, overall length, looks to be about 3 1/4 inches, and that's the overlock from here, from the bolster here to the tip, about 3 1/4 inches. And let me just do a measurement on the closed length here. Looks to be about 4 1/4, pretty much. So y'all, it's gonna be very similar. Let me get this trapper knife right here. It's gonna be very similar to a trapper knife as far as the length of it. Pretty much the same. Y'all can see that. Oh, sliding off there. So it's gonna be about pretty much the same length as a trapper knife. And in case some of you wondering, which I'm always interested, you know, how thick a knife is. There's a 2-blade trapper knife, full size. And there's a thickness of the CopperLock. You just got a single blade. And let me give you a measurement on that too. It looks like it's going to be about 3/8 of an inch thick. So it's about 3/8 of an inch thick, y'all. Some of y'all might want to know that. So it's a real nice pocket knife, not really thick. I really like the trapper knives, and so yeah, that's gonna be a nice knife right there. I like it already. And I really like the action on this knife. That's really nice. Y'all can hear that. Really like it, y'all. Feels good in your hand. It's got this little curve right here at the bolster right here, so when you hold it in your hand, it just fits real nicely right there. Index is your finger right there. So I really like this knife. This knife right here, it just reminds me of a knife that you want to take an apple and just peel it and slice you off some apple right there. Just really like it. I like that blade, y'all. Look how sharp that is. So yeah, man, I'm happy with this knife. Let's see. They do make a carbon blade. I was looking for some of those, and I'll be honest with y'all, sometimes it's kind of hard to find what you looking for. It may take you a while, but seemed like I had a pretty good deal on this knife here, and I like the way it looked. So I went ahead and purchased this one, and yeah, I think I'll be real happy with that. So I appreciate y'all coming along today. Appreciate y'all watching the videos. And as always, friends, from my family years, y'all have a blessed day. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.